Another good news, guys, when it comes to recruitment in Ireland. We all saw the bad news last year, October 2023, about recruitment freeze for the HSE sector, which was a very impactful, okay, because the HSE sector actually does a lot of or significant recruitment when it comes to the health sector, okay. Yes, we do have recruitment from the private hospitals, from the care homes, but the HSE sector actually recruits a large number of health professionals in Ireland. And this was actually a very big blow to overseas nurses, not just nurses in Ireland, but particularly overseas nurses, because we had a lot of people having to apply for decision letters again, having to rewrite their IELTS and also their OET. And it hasn't been easy at all, because having to hold all these documents and then you have to, reapply, which actually involves a lot of cash. Okay. All of that changed this Monday, 17th June 2024, when the Minister of Health, Stephen Donnelly, made an announcement that the HSE now has a green light to recruit over 2,200 staffs. So this is what today's video is actually going to be about. Stay tuned. Let's go onto the internet and have a proper look at the news that was released just this Monday, the 17th of June, as I always like to do it, okay? So we can all see from our screen that it states that HSE gets green light to hire over 2,200 staff after recruitment freeze. And then that is a picture of Stephen Donnelly that we can all see, the health minister. Okay, let me just show him properly. Yes. And then it states that this news was just this Monday, 17th of June 2024. Okay. And it also says that the HSE have been given the go-ahead to start recruiting more than 2,200 staff following a recruitment freeze. And then this just emerged yesterday. Obviously not yesterday as I'm doing the video today, okay? So let's look at the breakdown, okay? So the total number of recruitment that has actually been made is 2,969, as you can all see on our screen, and then the breakdown is as follows. It says 2,268 for just health, and then 701 through the Department of Children, Equality, Disability, Integration, and Youth, okay? So we have 2,268 staff for health alone. So this is actually very good news, not just for overseas nurses looking for it to come into Ireland, but also internal, like those also in Ireland looking for it for recruitment, okay, or job opportunities. So this is a very good news for everyone looking for it to join the HSE sector in Ireland and also outside Ireland. So my overseas nurses, you guys are actually on my heart a lot, okay? So I'll just say that this is an opportunity for you to have that CV ready. Prepare yourself, okay? My midwife and general nurses, my psychiatric nurses and the community nurses, all of you, just prepare that CV. Make it ready, okay? So if you haven't watched my video on how to prepare your CV, there's an opportunity for you to actually look into that video. And then this video also suggests to me to also make a new video about how to apply for, recruitment in Ireland, or all the strategies involved. So the part of this release that actually interests me a lot, it's when Stephen Donnelly actually stated that I have provided allocation for the new development post relevant to the health budgets. Yes. And then he says that plan to recruit these 2,268 additional staff are in motion. So it's already in motion, guys. Not like something that they are still looking into it to see if they're actually going to recruit or to have meetings. No, it says that the additional staff recruitments are already in motion. Okay, so this will enable the HSE to set out its recruitment targets in each area for 2024. And I just love it because we are just in June, halfway through. So we have just 6 months more in 2024, and they are looking to recruit over 2,200. So it's a very good news for all of us, okay? Everybody, all health professionals in Ireland and also those outside Ireland. And he further states that I will inform decisions at local levels on the filling of available posts, including recruitment of new staff, relocation of staff within the health service, and then appointment of those returning to work following career break. So this is very important. So my overseas nurses, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? This is a very good news. And I know I've actually been praying for this a lot. It's very difficult when you have people reaching out to you stating that my decision letter is expiring, my IELTS is expiring. Are we going to have any green light when it comes to recruitment in Ireland? It's a very heartbreaking situation that people keep reaching out, and then you have to be there for them. So seeing this has actually given me so much joy, and I hope to see you all soon in Ireland. So Stephen Donnelly actually went ahead to say that the HSE hired between 2,000 and 2,500 more staff last year than it was funded to do so. So which is actually going to have a very huge or significant toll on their finances. So I think this break or this freeze was actually important for them to kind of restructure things, to make sure that whatever recruitment they are actually, offering is actually funded for. Okay. And it also went further to say that it was criticized by health unions who say it's actually hindered services. So we have various health unions in Ireland. We have the INMO and we also have the PNA, okay, in Ireland. So if you're not part of these unions, I'll just urge you all to be part, because it's very important as a nurse living in Ireland, okay. And it also states that there are now around 146,429 staff working in our health service, and with 26,617 more staff today than there were at the beginning of 2020, okay? And it also states that this include additional 8,414 nurses and midwives. We have 4,067 health and social care professionals, and then 2,872 doctors and dentists, okay? So I know that a lot of people will be asking which category of people will actually be affected by this good news. Yes, it actually says that 2,200 recruitment for staff in the health sector, okay? So if you are part of the health team, why not? It's not just nurses, not just doctors, it's actually for the health team. So this is actually a very good news for my overseas nurses. Yes, it's not just going to be nurses in Ireland, it's also going to definitely reach out to overseas recruitment. If it comes to red list, I can't say much about when it comes to red list, but I'm just being hopeful and then praying that they're actually going to consider recruitment in some of the red listed countries as well. Let's just be hopeful and then look out for the recruitment and just keep applying, okay? It's very important that we keep applying, because Ireland cannot definitely provide all the nurses that they actually need, okay? So definitely they are going to reach out to other overseas recruitments as well. I know that we are all excited about this news, yes, which is very much important, but it's very important that we also prepare our CV strategically whilst we wait for this job advertisement that will be coming out very soon. And also you have to prepare yourself for the interview. If you're a midwife on my platform and you haven't really prepared yourself, adequately enough, just check my video on the popular interview questions for our midwives. And I'm also preparing myself to also bring you the interview questions for our general nurses and also the psychiatric nurses. If you have any other topic that you actually want me to also do a video on, why not just drop it under today's comment section. You all know that I take your comments very serious and I always try to do videos in that regards, okay? Thank you all so much for always staying tuned, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much. Remember to hit the subscription button. Also remember to hit the notification button, so anytime I post my videos, you'll be notified of same. See you all soon on my next video. Bye.